Okay, so let's do an example. Okay, so in this example, we're going to evaluate these expressions. Okay, so we're going to use the order of operations to do this. And so the first one is, now again, remember the order of operations. There's no parentheses, so we don't have to worry about groupings. And so we're going to look at exponents first. So we're going to simplify the exponent, right? Now I don't have a lot of room, so I'm going to kind of simplify this a little bit more over here. So this is going to be 6 divided by 3 plus, and then 2 cubed is 8 times 5. And now I'm going to do adding or multiplication division left to right. So I'm going to divide these two, and then I'm going to multiply these two. Okay, so I'm going to do division and multiplication left to right first. I'm not dealing with the addition. So that means, what am I going to get? Well, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Plus 8 times 5 is what? 40. And so now I get 42. That is the correct answer, 42. Okay, that's it. Now let's do this one. Now this one here does have some groupings. So we're going to do parentheses first. So remember PEMDAS. So we're going to do the parentheses first. So this becomes 14. Okay. And so we get 14 divided by 7 times 3 minus 6. Now, since we're done with the parentheses and there are no exponents in here, we're going to go right to multiplication division. We're going to go left to right. So now I'm going to do 14 divided by 7, right? So 14 divided by 7 is 2 times 3 minus 6. So 2 times 3 is 6, right? And so we get 0. Now, if we would have done it differently and multiplied first and then did 14 divided by 21, that would have been wrong. Okay, so remember, pay attention to the order of operations. Okay, so this is 14, and then do 14 divided by 7, which is 2, times 6, which is, or actually times 3, which is 6, minus 6 is 0. Okay, that's it. So next one, now we've got a fractional bar. So we're going to do the top and the bottom separately. Okay, so that means we're going to take care of the top separately from the bottom. And so that means 3 squared. So we don't have any groupings, so we don't have to worry about the groupings. So we're going to do exponents first, which is going to give us 9 here. So this is going to be 4 times 9. And then this is going to be, there's no exponents, so we're going to do multiplication. That comes first. So this is going to be 6 minus 15. And so 4 times 9 on the top gives us 36. And then 6 minus 15 on the bottom gives us minus 8. Okay? And then we can simplify this. And this becomes a negative what? A negative 9/2. Okay. Okay, now the next one. Okay, so now we got a lot going on in the next one. So the next one, we've got some negations, we've got exponents. So again, we've got the fractional bar, so we're going to do the top and the bottom separately. So let's do, again, what do we do first on the top? Exponents, right? We got this negation out here, but again, remember the parentheses and the exponent, always do exponents first. So here we've got negative 3 to the 3rd power. So again, that means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. So that's going to be negative 27. So this gives us a negative, or negative of a negative 27 plus negative 5. Now on the bottom here, this is going to be 2 times negative 8, which is negative 16, minus 5 times 3, which is 15, because again, you have to do the multiplication first. Now I'm going to go back to the top. Okay, a negative times a negative is positive, so this is going to be the opposite of negative 27, so positive 27. So, and I'm going to change this to a minus, a subtraction, I can do that. So it's going to be 27 minus 5. So a plus negative is the same as subtraction. Okay? And so negative 16 minus 15 is going to be a negative 31. And so now our final answer, what do we get? We get a positive 22 over a negative 31. And in this case, there are no common factors in the top and the bottom, the numerator and the denominator. And so that means we are done. So the final answer is negative 22/31. And that's it. So again, just make sure you be careful with the order of operations. Okay, have a good day.